Hecun UV sterilization could meet the high standards of the company. Metal can filling cocoa powder, milk powder, coconut powder, protein powder, egg. Automatic double head auger filling powder machine. The machine advanced technology and high quality. High-speed automatic vacuum nitrogen consumer machine sealed with 4 rollers, the sealing force is more uniform. Reasonable structure design, vacuum and nitrogen filling can work individually or together. Controlled by PLC system and dual servo driving, the processing accuracy is high. Automatic capping machine, the speed is high. Can be used for packaging of various powder material. According to the residual oxygen test, the residual oxygen amount after sealing reached 3% or less.